Baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, you're
That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. Take it easy. Take it easy. Just...
7. Baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, you're. Because you know what? Yesterday we had a
No, really.
Wow! Happy birthday, Kuya Pao. You want to say anything? Thank you, Kuya Pao. Happy birthday.
Thank you all so much, 18. It's so nice to be working while celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much, Aaron. Nababasa ko yung mga messages niyo, yung mga gifts na binibigay niyo. I'm just so blessed to be able to be on this stage with these guys, together with our team, everyone who have been supporting us. Ang saya lang mag-celebrate habang may concert, habang kasama kayo first time dito sa Hong Kong. Sana sa next birthday ko kasama ko ulit kayo. Merong handaan, papabuffet si Kuya Josh.
Cause we're going to the top and made a better now, flowing never stop, let's go!
Wait a second, cause we're going to the top. Made it better now, flowing never stop.
Wait a second, cause we going to the top and made them better now, flowing never stop. Let's go!
Bring it up, bring it down, oh yeah. Shake it up, oh yeah, oh yeah.
What about it, guys? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, you're the one. Alright! Did you like our birthday gift or?
Yun yung birthday gift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tuloy! Wow! Wow! Grabe! Hey! Wait, stop music. What do you want me to do? We didn't ask for his wish.
I wish, I already wish.
You already did it?
Yeah.
We didn't see it, though.
Secret!
It's a secret?
Oh, para pag nag-fail, hindi,
Any message? Any message?
Any message?
Any message, Kuya Pablo?
Maybe, just like what I told you guys earlier, I'm really blessed to be celebrating my birthday with all of you guys. I feel so much love right now. Also, no matter what era you came to know SB19, as long as you're supporting SB19 and you're giving love and your support for SB19, we really appreciated that so much. Sana lang we get bigger and bigger so we can achieve all the dreams that we have been building together. And for my 18th birthday, I just want kanina nag-handle kami, sinabi yung edad ko. 1, 2, 3! 18! Yes!